Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I'm not going to lie, this color seems to be pretty popular this year. So I ordered this on pre-order day at 8 o'clock, still got it today. Didn't get it on actual release day. That's okay. I did end up with my impatient self going in the deep blue, but now we get to compare both of those. Now, I have seen all of them in person. They all look great. Even the silver looks great. So all of them, good colors. Now, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max come in three colors. We've got Cosmic Orange, of course, Deep Blue, and Silver. Now, the iPhone 17 Pro Max specifically has four different storage tiers. You've got 256 gigs, which I have here, 512 gigs, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabytes at the top. Now, as for pricing, the base tier is going to go for $1,200, 512 gigs is $1,400, 1 terabyte is $1,600, and 2 terabytes is $2,000. And quick specs on this, we have a 6.9-inch display on the front. Processor, we have the A19 Pro with a 6-core GPU. You've got a triple camera setup on the back, all 48 megapixels. So you've got the telephoto ultra wide and the main sensor on the front. You've got an 18 megapixel center stage camera. Of course, improvements across the board, and it also has an aluminum unibody versus the titanium and glass design that we had last year. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this guy up. So of course, on the front, we have a picture of the back of the phone here. Orange iPhone logo. There we go, iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this one is in the 256 gig configuration. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull the strips off here. I always have trouble with this. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes in the box. I don't know why I always have trouble with these boxes. And on the inside, of course, we have our Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. And man, it is very orange. Let's put this off to the side. We also, of course, have our USB-C to USB-C cable, and it is braided. And then, of course, we also have our documentation and no Apple sticker, unfortunately. All right, let's go ahead and peel the sticker off the front. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on for the first time. All right, we'll go ahead and get it set up real quick. All right, here we are at the home screen. Now, I did actually have an update out of the box, so I'll show you that version that we're on right now. And that is going to be build number 23A345. And this one is the one with 256 gigs and out of the box 224 gigs. I did take a few pictures on here. But other than that, of course, we do have new cameras here. So we have up to 8x optical zoom. And then on the front, we do have that center stage camera. So as you can see, got this different view here. And then another cool thing here, we also have dual recording, which is not really a new feature for most phones, but on the iPhone 17s, you have that new dual recording feature. Of course, we have that camera button. So of course, you can use the capacitive functions here to change either settings or use it for zoom. And then of course, we have the action button, which you can assign to do different things. So you can go into settings and change those as well. Now, one other cool thing here is that this screen can go up to 3000 nits of brightness outdoors, which is pretty wild. So this is a very, very, very bright, vivid display. And I've been using the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max for the last day, and honestly been very, very happy with it. Now, as you can see, this thing is a fingerprint magnet, but of course I'm gonna have mine in a case, so it doesn't really matter too much for me. Now, for this orange one, I'm thinking it's gonna need a clear case because this thing is super vibrant. Definitely one to show off if you do get this one. Now, I don't have the iPhone 16 Pro Max with me, but I do have that comparison in my other video with the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max, so I'll definitely link that if you want to check that one out and see the comparison between the two. But here is a quick comparison of the deep blue and the cosmic orange. And I'm not gonna lie, I did really like the deep blue, but this cosmic orange is the one I'm gonna keep for sure. So this one is definitely gonna be going back. But there you guys have it, just a quick look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. If you guys have any questions or comments on this, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.